Here are the steps to download and install Zoom on a Windows PC. Download Zoom. Visit the official Zoom download page, Zoom Download Center. Click on the Download button under Zoom Client for Meetings. Install Zoom. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, usually named zoominstaller.exe, in your Downloads folder or the location where you saved it. Double-click the installer file to run it. Follow installation instructions. The Zoom installation wizard will open. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Zoom. If prompted, click Yes or Install to confirm the installation. Sign in or create an account. After installation, launch the Zoom application. Sign in with your Zoom account if you have one. If not, you can create a free Zoom account. Alternatively, you can join a meeting without signing in, but signing in provides access to additional features. Join or schedule a meeting. You can now join a meeting using a meeting ID or schedule your own meeting.
Some of the benefits Zoom offers are video conferencing, remote collaboration, screen sharing, chat and messaging, and also recording and playback.